Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share something very interesting, and this happened when I was asked to come present a keynote speech at Women Tech Maker during the International Women's Day, and I was asked to talk about defining possible. Now, how do I define my possible? Then it took me down like back memory lane 10 years ago when I started my journey as a tech person. I started with baby steps, coding in Java, Python. I remember building an application then using GUI, graphic user interface, right, on Java, just drag drop. But something happened, and from there I moved into robotics and I started my journey that way. But however, that question helped me to be introspective, to think deep into my core, and I summarized how I define my possible into 5 major steps, which I'm going to share with you today. The first point is you have to be humble. You have to be humble. You cannot fulfill anything. You can't call yourself being successful if you're a proud person. Even the Bible made it clear, it said that God honors the humble and we resist the proud. He giveth grace to the humble and he resists the proud. So you have to be humble no matter what you are, no matter where you have gotten to your level whatsoever. Just know that someone has more of what you have. So just please calm down. So the second point is take calculated risk. There are some times that you just want to take some things. You have to know what you need. You can't have it all. So you have to take it one step at a time. Take it, and this point is going to lead to what we call opportunity cost, right? Take calculated risk. The third point, which I also shared, is the third point which I shared with you. Sorry, I'm kind of wrapping up at work today, and I just said let me just shoot this video because a lot of people have been asking me that question. The third point is you have to build and maintain relationships. Sometimes people say that your net worth is your network. Totally true. The rooms I've stepped into, the people I know, the opportunities I have harnessed are due to relationships around me. So you have to know that you have to build, not only build relationship, you have to maintain. Sometimes you have to go out of your way to keep the relationship that you have. You have to build and maintain your relationship. The fourth point, which I want to mention, is don't be scared of mistakes. Mistakes are learning curves. They are learning grounds for every individual in this world. If you not make mistake, you cannot be successful. So you have to know that you have to make mistake. In fact, throw yourself into making mistakes. Failure is not failure until you term it as failure. Failure is a way to redirect you to the possible ways of achieving a goal, right? And lastly, I'm going to end with this, is being honest with yourself. And this will lead to being self-aware of who you are. You have to be honest with yourself. Tell yourself the truth. Don't lie to yourself. Don't be someone else. Your life is unique. You are unique. You are perfect in yourself. Your journey is not the same with another person. Just know that you have to be honest with yourself. So I'll go over my point once again so you can just take a recap in no particular order. The first point is be humble. The second is take calculated risk. The third is be honest with yourself. The fourth is build and maintain relationship. And the fifth is what? I cannot remember. Even me, why am I forgetting? How are you looking at me? Tell me. What was the fifth point? This one that you're looking at me like this. Don't be scared of mistakes. I know, right? So please don't be scared of mistakes. So let me go over it again. Let me start with the last one I just mentioned. Don't be scared of mistakes. First one. The second one is be humble. Third one is build and maintain relationship. Fourth one is take calculated risk. The fifth point is be yourself. I hope with these few points you'll be able to define your success. And if you feel like there are more points of how I can define my success, please drop it in the comment section. I would also like to learn from you. But however, I would like to see you in my next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and enemies if you have any one of them. Thank you very much, and I call you today. Bye.